Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to check who is using my Wi-Fi and how to block unknown Wi-Fi user. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to go to Play Store and just you have to install the application Fing Network Tools. So I have already installed in my cell phone. So simply just open this application, and after that when you open this application, just you will find that 11 online devices are still connected to my Wi-Fi. So simply just click here, and when you click here you will find the list of all devices which are connected to my Wi-Fi. And after that, if you want to block any user here, simply just what you need to do, just you have to click on the relevant person that you want to block. Now here you will find the option remove device. So when you click this, the unknown Wi-Fi user will be blocked on your Wi-Fi. So in this way you can easily check who is connected to your Wi-Fi and how to block unknown users on Wi-Fi.